Hey guys, Paul Stanglin here. Today I'm going to be doing a muffler delete straight pipe on my V10 6.8 liter Ford F-250, and I think it is going to sound pretty awesome, so I'm going to cut right to the chase. What we're going to do is we're going to show some before clips of what it sounds like when it starts and when it's getting revved and when it's just idling, and then I'm going to show you what I do to straight pipe it. And then we're going to get some after clips and see what it sounds like. Alright? So here we've got a 18mm socket and an impact wrench. I'm going to go down under the car and see if we can take off this resonator piece from that U-bolt clamp to that one. Now I've coated them in WD-40 and it's been sitting out in the heat for probably 15 minutes, and I think that hopefully we'll be able to just get this piece right here to come off and then put the Y pipe right there. Well, I guess that's a no. Now, since that very clearly was not working, and my bigger impact gun is at someone else's house where I was working on their car, we're gonna have to resort to more drastic measures. Maybe involving a Sawzall, and maybe involving a cutting torch at a weld shop. We will see. Alright, so y'all are really not gonna believe this. This is kinda crazy. I tried to get it off when the 18mm socket on the impact gun did not work by using an 18mm wrench. Put this around the bolt, and I tried to use my foot just to really slowly make it start turning, maybe break it loose so that the impact gun would work, and this is what happened. Yeah, wish I could have caught that on video. Not one, but two. Check this out. It's pretty wild. Definitely did not expect that to happen. It's pretty wild. Now I think we might be getting closer to Sawzall time. Alright, so I had to resort to using the saw. I did not record it because I was too busy focusing on not cutting anything I didn't need to cut and being safe when I was using it. However, the deed is done, and here is my finished work. Ta-da! That entire resonator is missing, and that means that the muffler has been completely disconnected from the rest of the exhaust, and it's like the exhaust ends basically where I made that cut. Now, it's not going to stay like that. This valve and the remote are going to go in soon, but I don't have all the connectors that I need to put it on yet, and since I don't have a welder, I can't just weld it, so I need the connectors, and that's as good as it's going to get for today. So without any further ado, here's what it sounds like, and it's not as loud as I expected, but it sounds better than I expected. Here you go.